Midnight Hi, here's how to hide your caller ID on Android in 1 minute. 0:05 Open your phone app and tap the three-dot menu. 0:10 Select Settings, then Call Settings or Calls. 0:16 Tap Additional Settings, then find Caller ID or Show My Caller ID. 0:22 Choose Hide Number to block your number on outgoing calls. 0:27 If you don't see caller ID, open SIM or carrier settings and check there. 0:32 Make a quick test call from this phone to check the number shows as hidden. 0:38 Note, some carriers block this feature. Contact your carrier if hide number is unavailable. 0:43 You can also dial *67 before a number to hide your ID per call. 0:48 Remember that emergency numbers and certain services will still see your number. 0:53 That's it, caller ID hidden. Quick, simple, and reversible. 0:57 Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more quick Android tips.